Hello and welcome, folks. This is a drink called How Make Iced Pepsi Cola Zero Sugar Cherries and Cream. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes into this mug, and last but not least, you open up this can of Pepsi Cola Zero Sugar Cherries and Cream, and you pour it into this mug. And look at that. And then there, fill up with some water a little bit to make sure it goes a little bit to the top. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced Pepsi Cola Zero Sugar Cherries and Cream. Thank you for watching. It's served ready to drink and enjoy. Have a nice summer, folks.